Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we should discuss about fourth question. Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is 78? Solution. Given AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on 78. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on, nth term, up to nth term. A1 we have here A1 is first term is equal to 3. Difference is equal to A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. AN is equal to 78. See question, what is the question? Which term of the AP? Is nothing but we have to find the number of terms. We have formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In this we have to find N. AN is equal to 78. Put these values in the given formula. 78, first term is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. Difference is 5. 78 plus 3, take this side, minus 3 is equal to, write as it is, N minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to N minus 1. This 5 divided by 75 divided by 5. Take in the denominator place. Okay? 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 15s are 75. 15 is equal to N minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 15. Therefore, N is equal to 15 plus minus 1 transfer to right side. 15 plus 1 is 16. N is equal to 16. Therefore, number of terms is 16. Therefore, 16th term of an AP is 78. Therefore, 16th term of an AP is 78. Dear students, so fifth question we have, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. First question, 18, 15 and a half, 30 minus 47. First term is for 18, second term is 15 and a half, third term is 13 and so on, nth term is minus 47. A1 is equal to 18, difference is equal to 15 and a half. 15 and a half, how we can get? 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 2, minus first term is 18, 2 and 1 LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2, 31, this is 2 1s are 2, 18 2s are 36 is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Difference is minus 5 by 2. Nth term AN is equal to minus 47. In this question, we have to find the number of terms. We have formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to minus 47 is equal to, first term is 18 plus n minus 1 as it is. We have to find n into difference is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 47 plus 18 transpose the left side. Minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18. 8 plus 7 15. 1 and 4 5. 5 plus 1 carries 6. 65 minus 65. Like sign should add. Is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Both side minus sign is there. Cancel it. Cross multiply. 65 into 2 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 15s are, sorry, 5 13s are. 5 ones are 5, remaining 15. 5 3s are 15. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26 is equal to n minus 1. n minus 1 is equal to 26. n is equal to 26. Minus 1 transport to right side. Okay, plus 1. n is equal to 27. Therefore, 27th term of an AP is minus 47. 27th term of an AP is minus 47. Dear students, sixth question we have. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Solution. Given AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. First term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. We have to check it. Minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. Okay. A1 is equal to 11. Difference. A2 minus A1 is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. We have formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is equal to minus 150. Minus 150. A is equal to minus 150 is equal to first term is 11 plus n minus 1 into difference is minus 3. Minus 150 plus 11 transpose minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 1, like term should add, is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 divided by 3 divided by minus 3. Minus minus will get cancelled is equal to n minus 1. n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 161 divided by 3. n is equal to 161 divided by 3. Minus 1 transfer that side. plus 1, n is equal to 3 and 1 LCM is 3, 1 3s are 3, 161 plus 3, n is equal to 164 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Clearly, n is not an integer. Clearly, n is not an n is clearly not an integer. Therefore minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Dear students, now 7th question we have. Find the 31st term of an AP. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 given and the 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73 is given. Solution given. In this, before finding the 31st term of an arithmetic progression, we have to find first term and common difference. Given 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st term. Okay, before that we have to find the common difference and first term and common difference. Okay, A11 how it can be write? A11 is equal to A plus 10D. A11 is equal to 38 is equal to A plus 10D. Equation 1. A16 is equal to A plus 15D. A16 is equal to 73 is equal to A plus 15D. Equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 or subtract equation 1 from equation 2. On subtracting 1 from equation 2. A plus 15D. A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Put here minus sign. Plus A minus A will get cancelled. Plus minus 15 minus 10 5D is equal to minus plus minus 13 minus 8 5 1 carry 7 minus 4 3. D is equal to 35 divided by 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7. Put this value in A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7. D is equal to 7. 10 into 7. is equal to 38. A plus 10 7 is 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 70 transpose that minus 70. 38 minus 70. 70 minus 38 means how much will you get? 70 minus 38. 10 minus 8 is 2. Minus 4 is 32. A is equal to minus 32. A is equal to minus 32. See, put these two values. D is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 32 in 31st term. Because 31st is equal to question mark is there. A 31. Therefore, then A 31 is equal to A plus 30D. It can be written as, or you can use the formula of nth term of an arithmetic progression. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A 31 is equal to, first term is minus 32 plus 30 into, the common difference is 7. Is 7. A 31 is equal to minus 32 plus 3 7 is 21, 210. A 31 is equal to 210 minus 32. 210 minus 32. 10 minus 2, 8. And 11 minus 4, 7. 178. A 31 is equal to 178. Therefore, the A 31 is equal to 178. Hence 31st term is 178.